guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynette. In case you're new here, hi and welcome to the family. In case you have not yet subscribed, make sure you do so and don't forget to hit the post notification bell. That way you are notified whenever I upload a video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to do a night out eye look. A night out eye look is going to be dark but with a touch of glitters, of course. These days we are adding color to our lives and some spark and some shine and some everything. So we are going to be adding some glitters onto our eye look. So yeah, I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera and then come back and show you the eye look. So without much further ado, let us go straight into this video. So the eyebrows are done. We're going to move on to priming our eyelids so that you can start applying the eyeshadow. And you're going to be using a lighter shade of concealer, still from the same company, Elegant Pro Conceal. Don't need much. I'm going to be using a fluffy brush to blend it. So after blending out the concealer on our eyes, we're going to go in with the dark shade of black. Let's see if there's a lighter shade of black. We're going to go in with the black shade from the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. This shade of black right over here. Remember, we are doing a dark night out eye look. And this time we don't have the inner corner or the outer corner. We are going to apply this on our entire eye. The fluffy brush is not giving me the full pigmentation of the eyeshadow, so I'm going to move on to a petal brush. That's how it looks like. That's what I'm talking about. We're going to use the orange shade of eyeshadow from the Ashes eyeshadow palette to blend out the edges of the black eyeshadow. So as you can see, it looks really funny. Yeah, so we're going to use the orange eyeshadow shade to blend it out. So guys, after blending out the edges with the orange eyeshadow color, I decided to build onto the black. So I added a bit of the black eyeshadow onto my lid so that it can look intense. So guys, I know we look crazy. I know we look crazy, but trust me, it's about to change because we're gonna be using the gold edges. I don't know if I should use these ones or these ones. I mean, they both have gold in it. I'm kind of confused. I feel like okay, I'm not even sure now. Which one do you think, you guys? Let me think and then I'll be back. After a very long discussion with my brain, I decided to go in with these ones. The ones with the red and a bit of gold in them. Yeah, so we are going to be using that and not this. For application, remember you need a clear white glue. I'm using the one from Huda Beauty. And you're going to put that at the back of your hand. brush in the glue like this. And then each time and again in almost all my videos, you don't need a lot of glitters. A lot of glitters. Once you put a lot of glitters, everything looks so funny. So just a little bit. I feel like I've already used a lot of glitters myself. Yeah, that's better. That's better. That's better. And I made the perfect choice of my life. I made the best choice of my life. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. I am so proud of myself. This looks really cute. Oh my gosh, really cute. Let me apply my foundation and then come back so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. I forgot to say something. So if you guys follow my tutorials really closely, you know that we always do the winged eyeliner or the eyeliner before the glitters, of which I have not done it because we are using a black eyeshadow. So you don't need to do your eyeliner. It's as simple as that. Because it won't even show. So what is it for? Don't waste your time, don't waste your product. Just go straight ahead and apply the glitters. Oh my god, I look so cute. Oh my god, guys, I'm going to let the concealer under my eyes, okay, basically the concealer that's on my face, to dry off. But because I was doing this video for the purpose of the eye look, I'm going to use the black kajal on my waterline so that my eyes can pop even more. Buy as much as glitters as you can because glitters save a great big deal of time. I'm not sure if I told you this, but I don't know why my ring light is not working. I don't know if the lighting is okay, but I just hope it's okay because now I'm using the natural light. But it's fine. Anyway, so that is how my eye look looks like. This is what I wanted to show you guys in today's video. So let me blend this out and then come back and show you the final look. Is it okay? Okay, so guys, the next thing is highlighting your brow bone. So we are talking about a night out eye look. So you wanna look all sparked. Can you look at that? Can you see that, you guys? You just highlight your brow bone like that. Look at this and look at this. This. Again, don't overdo it. If you don't want to look funny, don't overdo it at all. Perfect. I look crazy like on the lip area because I've not yet applied the lippy. But guys, basically, if you're going for a night out party, whatever, dinner, whatever you want to call it, night out date, whatever, even if your makeup looks really bad, just remember to highlight. Remember to highlight because highlighting is what makes it stand out, especially the brow bone, and then like having something on your eyes that makes it look so pretty. That's another thing. So those are the tips that I would give you today. I'm going to quickly put on my lashes and then call it a day, call it a video, call it a night, call it an evening, call it everything that you wanna call it. And as you can see, I don't have lashes, but I just look like I do have them because of the intensity the black builds onto my eyes, or rather adds. So I'm going to be using the white glue once again, and I'm going to apply that onto my lashes. Which reminds me, if you don't know how to apply lashes, I'm gonna link a video right over here. So click on this video if you wanna learn how to apply your lashes. I don't know why I feel like today anyway, let me not say it because maybe you haven't noticed. but they aren't giving the way they always give. I wouldn't give them 100%. If you know what I'm talking about right now, you better comment on the comment section so that I can see if we are together, or is it just me who is seeing that? Oh my god, I forgot to unpause the video, but you guys can see the difference. Can you guys tell the eye that has an eyelash and the one that does not have? Can you? Yeah, this one has an eyelash, definitely. It has an eyelash. So let me apply the other one. My nails are doing the most over here. I'm struggling because of my long nails. And that is it, guys. That is it. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this video. So if you learned something and you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a comment down below and like this video. And let me see you on my next video. Till next time.